We've all been there. You hit the power button on your PC, ready to get to work, only to be stuck staring at a loading screen that feels like it's mocking you. You grab a coffee, check your phone, come back, and it's still booting. That slow crawl to the desktop is a massive, finger-tapping waste of time. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be this way? What if you could make your PC spring to life almost instantly? Today, we're going through 7 simple, risk-free hacks that will seriously speed up your Windows 11 startup. These aren't some crazy, complicated adjustments for tech wizards. They're straightforward tweaks using the tools already built into your computer. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to get your PC to boot faster so you can get back to what you actually want to do. Hack 1. Disable unnecessary startup programs. All right, let's kick things off with the biggest offender, unnecessary startup programs. Lots of apps, game launchers, chat apps, cloud services, love to set themselves to launch the second you turn on your PC. While that might sound convenient, it's a massive drain on your system. Each program fighting for attention adds more time to your boot process, and it really piles up. Think of it like trying to leave your house, but a dozen people are trying to talk to you at once. It's a mess, and it slows you down. The good news? You can easily be the bouncer for this chaotic party. Here's the fastest way to do it. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. If it looks a little too simple, click More Details at the bottom. Then, find the Startup Apps tab on the left and click it. You'll see a list of every single app that launches at startup. Pay close attention to the Startup Impact column. It tells you which programs are the worst offenders, rating them as low, medium, or high. Go ahead and sort by impact to bring the heavy hitters to the top. Now for the fun part. Be ruthless. Do you really need Spotify or your game launcher running the instant your desktop appears? Probably not. To stop one, just right-click it and select Disable. That's it. The app is still on your computer, but it won't slow down your boot anymore. Just a heads up, be careful what you disable. If you see something from Microsoft, your computer maker, or crucial hardware partners like Intel or AMD, it's probably best to leave it alone. Same goes for your antivirus. But for most other apps, disabling them at startup is perfectly safe and makes a night and day difference. Hack 2. Enable Fast Startup. Next up, a built-in feature that's literally designed to make your PC boot faster, Fast Startup. It's a clever mix of a full shutdown and hibernation. While it should be on by default, it sometimes gets turned off after a Windows update or on custom-built machines. Here's the simple version of how it works. Instead of closing everything down, Windows saves the core operating system files to a special file on your drive. When you turn your PC back on, it loads that file straight into memory, which is way faster than starting from scratch. This trick alone can slash your boot time significantly. To make sure it's on, open the Control Panel. Just hit the Start button and type Control Panel. From there, go to Hardware and Sound, then Power Options. On the left, click Choose what the power buttons do. The settings you need might be grayed out. Just click the link at the top that says Change Settings that are currently unavailable. You'll need to be an administrator to do this. Now, you should see a checkbox for Turn on Fast Startup, Recommended. If it's not checked, check it and hit Save Changes. One quick note. Because this isn't a full shutdown, some system updates might need a complete restart to apply. If things ever seem a bit buggy, just hold down the Shift key when you click Shut Down to do a one-time full shutdown. Or just use the Restart option, which always does a full cycle. Hack 3. Reduce visual effects. Windows 11 looks slick. It's full of smooth animations, transparent menus, and other visual candy that give it a modern feel. But all those pretty effects use system resources, especially on older or less powerful hardware. This can make your PC feel sluggish, not just at startup, but all the time. Turning off some of this eye candy can free up resources and make your system feel way snappier. Windows will just pop into view instead of gracefully sliding in. It's a trade-off between looks and speed, but the performance gain is often worth it. Here's how to do it. Right-click this PC, you can find it in File Explorer and go to Properties. Then click on Advanced System Settings. In the new window that pops up, find the Performance section and click the Settings button. You'll see a long list of visual effects. For maximum speed, you could just select Adjust for Best Performance, but this can make text look a bit jagged. A better move for most people is to choose Custom. Select Adjust for best performance to uncheck everything first, then recheck just a couple of key options. Smooth edges of screen fonts is a must-have for readability, and Show thumbnails instead of icons is nice if you work with images. You can also turn off transparency and animations in the main Settings app. Go to Settings, choose Accessibility, then click on Visual Effects, and just toggle off transparency effects and animation effects. Combining these tweaks gives you a zippier system without making it look like it's from 2002. Hack 4. Keep Windows and drivers updated. This one sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people forget it. Keeping your system updated is crucial for performance and security. Microsoft constantly releases updates for Windows 11 with bug fixes and optimizations, and sometimes a slow boot time is caused by an issue that's already been fixed. To check for updates, go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Make sure to install everything, including anything tucked away in Advanced Options under Optional Updates, as driver updates sometimes hide there. And speaking of drivers, they're just as important. Drivers are the software that lets your hardware, like your graphics card and storage drives, talk to Windows. Outdated drivers can cause all sorts of slowdowns. While Windows Update is getting better at handling drivers, it's always best to get the latest ones directly from the manufacturer's website. This is especially true for your graphics card and your motherboard's chipset drivers. A quick search for your hardware model, plus the word drivers, will get you there. Hack 5. Switch to the high-performance power plan. Windows uses power plans to manage your computer's energy use. Most PCs default to the balanced plan, which tries to save power by sometimes throttling your hardware's performance. That's fine for a laptop on battery, but for a desktop or a plugged-in laptop, it can hold you back. Switching to the high-performance power plan can give you a nice little speed boost. This plan tells your PC to prioritize performance over everything, so your CPU is always ready to go full throttle. To change it, open the control panel again and head to Hardware and Sound, click on Power Options. You should see High Performance listed. If not, click Show Additional Plans to reveal it. Just select it to activate it. On some modern laptops, you won't find this in the control panel. Instead, go to the Settings app and navigate to System, then Power and Battery. Change the power mode to Best Performance. This ensures Windows isn't holding your hardware back to save a little power. Hack 6. Clean out junk files with Storage Sense. Over time, your PC gets cluttered with junk you don't need. Temporary files from apps, old Windows Update leftovers, and items sitting in your recycle bin. All this digital clutter can take up space and, in some cases, slow your system down. Think of it like a messy desk. It's harder to find what you need. Windows 11 has a fantastic tool called Storage Sense that automates this cleanup for you. It's like having a personal assistant for your hard drive. To set it up, go to Settings, choose System, click Storage. At the very top, you'll see Storage Sense. If it's not already on, flip that switch. Then, click on it to configure how it works. You can tell it to run automatically every day, week, or month. You can also have it automatically delete files from your recycle bin and clear out your downloads folder after a certain period. It's a set it and forget it feature that keeps your drive lean. For an immediate effect, you can also run a cleanup right now. Back on the main storage page, click Cleanup Recommendations. Windows will scan your system for large files, old update packages, and other junk you can safely delete. A quick cleanup here can free up gigabytes of space and contribute to a healthier, faster system. Hack 7. Run a system health check. Sometimes, a slow startup isn't caused by your settings, but by corrupted core Windows files. Thankfully, Windows has powerful, built-in tools to find and fix these kinds of problems. The first tool is the System File Checker, or SFC. To run it, open your Start menu, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In the window that appears, type SFC/scano and press Enter. This command will scan all protected system files and replace any that are corrupted or incorrect. If SFC finds errors but can't fix them, it's time for the second tool, DISM. In the same administrator command, prompt window, Type DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health and press enter. This tool performs a deeper scan and repairs the underlying Windows system image. After it finishes, run SFC/scanna one more time to clean up any remaining issues. And there you have it, 7 easy ways to make your Windows 11 PC boot up way faster. If this was helpful, give that like button a click. Got another speed up tip? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to see what works for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips that make your life easier. That frustratingly slow boot up doesn't have to be your reality. By taking a few minutes to clean up your startup apps, tweak a few settings, and do some basic maintenance, you can transform your computer from a sleepy slug into a speed demon. All of these tips are safe, easy, and completely reversible. Now you have the power to take back control and make that morning wait a thing of the past. Your more productive self will thank you for it.